Now let's take a quick look at some of the new option that has been introduced in NSX 9. Let me log in. This is an introduction screen. Welcome to NSX. Let's skip this. So before I proceed, let me show the version number. So this is VMware NSX version 9.0 with build number 247333063. Okay. So let's explore what are the new options which has been introduced. So starting with the dashboard, you can find there is an option called VPC, which has been added newly in our NSX 9. Earlier in 4.x, this option was not there. Rest of the things remains same here, like system, security, inventory, networking, and all. Now let's go to the next menu. So if we go to the network section in NSX 9, we can notice some new connectivity features. The first one is called external connections. This is a new option that has been added in NSX 9. This helps to manage external connectivity in a more simplified and centralized way. So we are going to explore this option in more detail in our class. So next is we can see something called transit gateways. This is another new feature introduced in NSX 9. The transit gateway allows multiple network domains or environments to communicate through a centralized routing architecture. This one also we are going to explore in our class. Then we'll notice another important addition called VPC, which stands for Virtual Private Cloud. In NSX 9, VPC has its own dedicated menu. This feature allows us to create isolated networking environments similar to what we see in public clouds. Those people who is worked in Azure or AWS, they might aware of this. They are bringing the same kind of feature inside our private cloud in VCF. Now let's move to the security section. So here we can see some new options. There are, this menu has some old options as well. I'm going to highlight only the new options which has been introduced in NSX 9. So one of the new option is bridge firewall. It was not there earlier. Okay. So this feature provides additional security capabilities when bridging networks between VLAN and overlay segments. So we can also see east-west network introspection. This feature are used for deeper traffic inspection and integration with security services. This is, like we are covering this in the security class. Then if we move to the inventory section, there is another new feature has been introduced called resource sharing. This option was not available in earlier versions of NSX. It allows resource to be shared more efficiently across different environments. I'm just giving an intro here. I'm not going to explore in complete detail on this demo. So finally, under system section, you can find an option called bare metal controller. This is a new feature added in NSX 9 to support integration with physical infrastructure. So these are some of the important new options introduced in NSX 9 interface. So in our VCF 9 NSX training, we are going to explore each of these new feature in detail and understand how they work in real environments. So this is just a quick introduction to NSX 9 interface, user interface, and the new features available in VMware Cloud Foundation 9 for NSX.